Good morning, Myanmar. We're here at the Heritage Hotel in Bagan, and our plan today is not to do anything. Well, we're gonna eat some breakfast, we're gonna chill out by the pool. You know, the most important stuff in life, guys.
I wake up, flex, I'm down now. Check, no drip this. Wait, tell them run it up.
Wait, are we gonna go breakfast right now?
Yeah.
They got coffee down there. Never mind. We're gonna go downstairs and get breakfast. Hey, the only friends you have is your shirt.
I know, right? Good morning. Hi, babe.
Summer days they go shorter, with every hour, every minute of every day. If I wanted to, need to cherish every moment left with you. What's your fall is closing.
Yo, super egg transition now. Hey guys, look, I think in Burmese when you say scrambled with everything, it really means scrambled plain. Oh, you guys thought breakfast was over? It's not. Dude, why are people so lame on vacation, just staying on their phone all day? What? Just stay at home if you're gonna be on your phone all day, you know what I mean? Just joking. Do what you want. You're on vacation. Take it easy. Don't do anything. Phone is life.
Phone is life.
What the heck? Little turkeys running around, thinking they run the place. We're here at the Heritage Bagan Hotel. Let's go check it out. We're at the Heritage Hotel in Bagan, and this is Grand Deluxe Room. Welcome. Got a little wardrobe right here to the left. Nice robes. You got the bathroom, sink, amenities kit, shaving kit, vanity kit, sewing kit, shower caps. You got the toilet right there, shower, and a big old tub. You got some coffee and tea and sugar. You got a sofa. You got a twin bed, TV, the work desk, and the balcony.
Hi, everyone.
All right, this is a Grand Deluxe room. We rented this place for one night, and it's gonna cost us $161.49 or 23,070 American Express points. Minglaba, guys, guess who we're with?
Mingalaba! Welcome to Bagan.
We're excited to be traveling. We're gonna do the Irrawaddy cruise. It should be an epic time, guys. Stay tuned. Bye, Grand Deluxe room. So I was talking to Kara and Nate, and they told me, hey, Jeremy, you guys have a good YouTube channel. You know what? Pack up your stuff. Let me give you a deluxe suite. Let me give you a junior suite, actually. It's so good. Or actually, I paid for it. Dude, how many chocolates you gonna have?
It's not chocolates.
What is it?
It's tamarind.
Tamarind?
It's a sour tamarind.
How about you save some for the other guest, huh?
Apat lang yan eh. Your new room is 2003. I will report like that.
We're renting scooters. It's gonna cost $4 US for 4 hours. There's our bike right there. How you drive this bike?
Oh, you know how to drive or no?
Dude, I could drive that. Of course I could drive that.
So me and Jeremy, this is Jeremy's first time to ride an e-bike. And I am the passenger.
So we might die.
It doesn't matter how slow you are, you'll make it. This is our ride for today, an e-bike.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like
Tay tayo, tay tayo, he's a friendly little bus.
We just made it to Witherspoons. It was like 2.2 kilometers from where we're staying at in the Heritage Hotel. But anyways, dude, I almost got hit by a car and almost got hit by a motorcycle. I almost got hit by a bus.
Lunch for today is at Witherspoons Bagan Restaurant.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.
This is watercress. It's just sauteed in oyster oil, so simple. Garlic, tomatoes, onions. That's it. But this is too healthy, very healthy. This is very healthy and this is my favorite. And then here is the famous of Witherspoon is ginger salad, tomatoes, tiny shrimps, and this is the famous tea leaf salad.
And right here, this right here is the pork with aubergine, and aubergine is eggplant. That's 16,000. That's like $12, I think. How much is that?
I don't know, really.
What do you think of my driving?
Driving is fast because you brought me back in one piece. But if I have a choice, I won't choose you.
Dude, I'll tell you what, when I was driving, there was like an old lady passing me and she had like a kid on her, and then another person passed me and they had like a big old piece of wood, like they're gonna build a house or something. And the other person passed me, they had their freaking phone tucked in their helmet just talking. And I'm like, two hands, I didn't even know what to do, you know, but I did. I made it back here alive. All right guys, right now it's 7 o'clock and we're gonna go down and eat some dinner with everybody from the cruise.
After getting to know everybody a little bit today, I'm excited about being stuck on a boat.
Thank you all for coming.
All right. So excited to see all that food, and then my stomach is so full. But right now, I gotta go say Ming La Ba to the toilet. Let's go. Mad?
I am.
At who?
Adieu!
When is she not mad at me? Anyways, guys.
Yay!
I'll probably try to bump some. As long as you like that low quality, I got it.
Look at you, such a fangirl. We got a twin bed because Randy's always fighting me. She doesn't want to sleep next to me.